buddy drives a Fortuner. You ever gotten into a Fortuner? I would love to see you getting into a Fortuner.
We get a few in.
You ever get in the driver's seat?
They're not exactly roomy.
So it's a weird thing. So it's almost like it's a sedan, small sedan on an SUV chassis. But every time we get in, the curve of the hood is a little too low, and the oh crap handle is sticking out at about 11 o'clock. And every time I see him get in, and I mean, this is every day, he hits his head on that handle. And I asked him the other day, how many times you hit your head on that thing? He says, well, at least once a day. And he knows it's there, but it's almost like there's no way to get into it comfortably without knocking your head.
Yeah, avoid hitting the handle.
And if you don't hit the handle, you hit the door or the roof. It's like, oh, man.
Yeah.
And it's like,